Ready? We dip left. We dip right. We spread our feathers. We tap our feet and we spin.
We're here at Hawthorne Elementary, and we are here to see the Quail Project, which is a collaboration between Hawthorne and 3 other schools with Blackacre State Nature Preserve.
So we got heat, we got food, we got water. What else do we need? So Blackacre is a state nature preserve. It's actually Kentucky's first. We restored one of our meadows into what's called an oak savanna. One of the key species that make oak savannas work in Kentucky because they help promote the growth of a special type of grass that sort of unlocks an oak savanna, or Bobwhite Quail. I'm Bobwhite. Oh, nice to meet you. There aren't currently any Bobwhite Quail in Jefferson County, as far as I can tell. So I decided to partner with several first grade classrooms around the city to hatch quail, and then we will raise them at Blackacre and release them into the wild in the summer.
It goes in with what they're learning about the EL curriculum. They're learning about birds, and we have our vocabulary words: beak, wings, feather. And you can teach them these words with pictures, but when they actually have an incubator in their classroom and they see the eggs hatching and they see wings developing, it takes learning to a whole new level.
It's a lot of fun. The kids, they really come alive when you teach them about quail. They learn some of the details, things that they didn't know about birds. So yeah, they give all my enthusiasm back, 100-fold. So yeah, it's a lot of fun.
They've been incredibly excited. The kids had been counting down the days they would likely hatch. They'd been keeping their observation journals, and then just as school began, during morning meeting time around 10 o'clock, the first egg in Miss Ford's room started hatching. And they all got to experience it, and just the excitement was palpable in the school. It was amazing.
It was super cool because they were coming out and they looked super cute.
Watching them hatch, because just watching their beaks peck a hole, fill out an entire shell, and getting their bodies out of the egg.
The number one goal for these students is to get them interested in nature and natural spaces and environmental studies. In addition, I think it would be valuable for the community, right, that we're adding these quail, and getting the song of the quail back at Blackacre would be lovely.